In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share your quotes in HubSpot, step by step. If you're setting proposals to customers and want a clean, professional way to deliver them, HubSpot's quote feature makes it incredibly simple. Whether you're in sales, operations, or running your own business, knowing how to properly share a quote ensures your customer receives everything they need quickly and securely. I'll walk you through the full process from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to your quotes area inside HubSpot. Once you're logged into your HubSpot account, look at the top navigation menu. Go to Commerce, and from the dropdown, click on Quotes. This will take you to your quotes dashboard, where you can see all existing quotes that have been created in your account. Here, you'll see a list view that includes the quote name, associated deal, amount, status, and expiration date. If you already created the quote you want to send, simply locate it in this list. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of quotes and need to find a specific one quickly. Click on the name of the quote you want to share, and this will open the full quote details page. Now that you're inside the quote, it's time to share it with your customer. On the quote details screen, you'll see options to preview, edit, or share the quote, depending on its status. If the quote is finalized and ready to go, look for the Share button. Click on Share, and HubSpot will generate a shareable link for that specific quote. This link is what you'll send to your customer. You can copy the link directly and paste it into an email, or if you're using HubSpot CRM to manage your communications, you can send it through a tracked email right from the contact or deal record. When your customer clicks the link, they'll be taken to a secure page where they can review the quote details, see pricing, line items, terms, and even e-sign if electronic signatures are enabled. Before sending, it's always a good idea to click Preview so you can see exactly what your customer will see. Double-check the pricing, company details, billing information, and expiration date. If you notice anything that needs to be adjusted, click Edit, make your updates, and then return to the sharing option once everything looks correct. This ensures there are no delays or confusion after the quote is sent. Once shared, HubSpot will automatically track quote activity. You'll be able to see when the customer views the quote, how many times they've opened it, and whether they've completed the signature or payment if those features are enabled. This tracking gives your sales process a major advantage because you'll know exactly when to follow up. And that's it. That's how you share your quotes in HubSpot quickly and professionally. It's a simple process. Go to Commerce, click Quotes, open your quote, and use the Share option to generate and send the link. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.